Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a transfer pin from Verizon. So to get a number transfer pin, you must have a standard monthly account. You must be logged in to my Verizon as account owner or account manager. Then use any of these methods to get a number transfer pin. Dial hash port from the smartphone that has the number you want to transfer. Our system verifies you are dialing from the phone to be transferred. We send you a link, that means the Verizon send you a link to generate the number transfer pin in my Verizon. My Verizon app create your number transfer pin. My browser website, you just need to go to my profile, then number transfer pin, and you will find generate pin option. You can just click on it and you can generate a transfer pin. In some scenarios, generating a number transfer pin may be unable through the My Verizon app and website. For help with your account, contact customer service, and the number is here that you can use to connect with the customer service, that is 800 922 0204, or visit a Verizon store if it's nearby to you. Here is important note for you, like keep your number transfer pin and account number safe and don't share it with anyone except the new carrier or an account member. Verizon will never ask you for this information. The number transfer pin is an account level code. You can use to authorize the move of any or all of the lines on your account. Tell your new carrier which Verizon lines you want to move. The number transfer pin is only valid for 7 days, so give it to your new carrier promptly. That's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.